Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open this website scanqr.org. Open this website and here you need to select the QR code. So let me select, here it is, and now you can see that all detail will be here. After that you need to go into your settings of your PC. And here you need to go into the network and internet. Then you need to click on your Wi-Fi, and here you need to click on manage non-networks. Click on add network. Here you need to add the name, and for security you need to select WP to WPA to personal, and here you need to add the security key from here. Paste that security key here. I think I selected the wrong one. Let me delete that. Okay, go here and you need to copy that from here like this. Go back, paste it here, connect automatically, and then you need to click on save. So here you need to add the name as well. So this is the process by which you can scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.